Did you know that every bite of food we take has the power to fight disease or feed it? Yes, what we eat is likely the most important factor in living a healthy and long life. Today we're going to help you to transition to a healthier diet. Be sure to watch all the way to the end and make notes along the way.
Hi friends, it's Bob and Fran again, and we welcome you to our home in North Carolina. We are both in our 80s, and for us, changing to a healthy eating lifestyle literally saved our lives. So we know firsthand that there's great power in the food we eat, and that diet can prevent and even reverse disease, as it did with us, and it has with many people whom we have mentored over the years. So let's jump into how we get there.
As you know, some foods can make us healthy. Some can make us sick. It's estimated that approximately 80% of the foods sold in supermarkets these days did not even exist when we were children. Unfortunately, most of these new foods are unhealthy, refined products loaded with chemicals, sugar, and fat. They can cause serious and chronic disease.
Whether you are in poor health and would like to get well, or are in good health and would like to stay that way, we recommend adopting a whole food, plant-based diet as much as possible.
We have a simple step-by-step guide to get you going in the right direction.
So step one would be to make a commitment. Dedicate yourself to eating a more healthy diet. Start now and avoid procrastination.
Step 2, make a plan. Determine your motivation for dietary change, whether it's personal health and well-being, environmental concerns, or animal rights.
Next, choose the type of diet that you would be comfortable with. So, it could be vegetarian, wherein you eliminate eating all beef, pork, poultry, seafood, and fish. Or vegan. We are vegans, but doesn't mean you have to be. So vegans don't eat anything that has ever had a mother or a face.
Right.
This would be only plant-based foods and whole grains. So no eggs, no dairy products, including milk, cheese, yogurt, ice cream, or butter.
Please note, if you have been diagnosed with a serious illness or are overweight, we encourage you to get serious about a vegan diet as soon as possible. More and more studies show that a whole food, plant-based diet can actually help reverse many diseases, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and a number of autoimmune diseases.
The third step would be to do a pantry and refrigerator makeover. Give away your present supply of meats, poultry, and fish. Do the same with all processed, sugar-laden foods, including white bread, desserts, snack foods, cereal, soft drinks, and products with high fructose corn syrup. This act shows determination on your part and gets you started with a clean slate.
Or is it a clean plate?
Well, it'd be either one.
Step 4, shop for healthy foods. Replace the items you eliminated with lots of fresh vegetables, fruit, and whole grains, including pasta, rice, and bread. If you do not have heart problems or weight issues, you can include a small amount of raw nuts and seeds in your daily diet also.
The fifth step would be the actual cooking. Actually, Fran should be talking about this, so I'm going to turn it over to you, Fran.
Change your view of cooking from a chore to a hobby. When you cook, get your family involved and fix meals that look good and taste great. There's a wealth of vegetarian and vegan recipes online and in cookbooks for delicious, nutritious meals and snacks. And if you work, it's easy to do what we call batch cooking. On the weekends, you can make soup, casseroles, stews This way you'll have food for the whole week. And as a bonus, you will actually wind up spending less money on food than you used to.
And finally comes step 6. We suggest you learn from as well as encourage others to improve their eating habits and do it together. Share ideas, recipes, and support each other on social media and with personal friends and family too.
So there you have it. Begin now and forever change your life, starting at any age, young or old. Please comment below if you are willing to improve your diet to live healthier and longer, and give us a thumbs up. And please subscribe so you can continue to get more videos like this one.
When making changes in your diet, we advise you to first consult with your doctor. And of course, we thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.
Bye.